A visionary masterpiece, the Czinger 21C, the hypercar of the future. The future of hypercars is here, and it's called the Czinger 21C. This revolutionary new car is the brainchild of Kevin Czinger, a visionary designer and engineer who has created a vehicle that is both stunningly beautiful and incredibly powerful. In the hallowed halls of automotive greatness, a hypercar of unparalleled innovation and sheer magnificence emerges, igniting a new era of automotive brilliance. Today, we embark on a journey that transcends imagination, exploring the awe-inspiring Czinger 21C, the hypercar of the future. Brace yourself as we delve into the depths of this automotive marvel, where raw power converges with visionary engineering, forever changing the landscape of hypercars as we know it. The birth of a legend. A year is now, and a revolutionary hypercar stands at the threshold of greatness. The Czinger 21C, a visionary masterpiece sculpted by the gods of speed, epitomizes the pursuit of automotive excellence. In a world yearning for innovation and artistry, the 21C emerges as a beacon of automotive brilliance, leaving its competitors in the dust and capturing hearts with its breathtaking design and mind-altering performance. The heart of the 21C. Beneath the mesmerizing exterior, an unrelenting force lurks, a hybrid powertrain pulsating with electrified energy. At its core lies a mid-mounted twin-turbocharged V8 engine meticulously engineered to unleash 1,250 horsepower. This amalgamation of combustion and electric power catapults the 21C to blistering speeds, taking the term hyper to an entirely new realm. Embracing a cutting-edge hybrid system, the 21C dances with grace and power, an automotive masterpiece that defies conventional norms. The symphony of performance. As we traverse the ethereal landscape of automotive artistry, the Czinger 21C orchestrates a symphony of performance. Its lightweight carbon fiber chassis, sculpted with aerodynamic brilliance, molds the very essence of speed and agility. With an astonishing power-to-weight ratio, the 21C blurs the lines between automotive engineering and high-octane dreams, propelling us into a realm where time and space cease to exist. An artistic journey. Beyond its awe-inspiring performance lies an artistic journey, where beauty and engineering intertwine in a dance of ingenuity. Every curve, every line, and every contour of the 21C serves a purpose to create a symphony of form and function. The Czinger 21C is more than just a hypercar. It's a canvas of artistry on wheels, a sculpted masterpiece that transcends automotive boundaries. limited legend. In a world where rarity is revered, the Czinger 21C stands as a beacon of exclusivity. Limited to a select few, each 21C is a rare jewel coveted by automotive connoisseurs worldwide. It represents a fusion of craftsmanship, engineering, and passion, a testament to the pursuit of automotive greatness. The lucky few who embrace this hypercar of tomorrow are destined to become part of a legendary tale forever etched in the annals of automotive history. Defining the future. As we conclude this extraordinary journey, we are left in awe of the Czinger 21C, a hypercar that challenges the very definition of the future. It's a manifestation of automotive excellence, a testament to what awaits us on the horizon of innovation. But roads will never be the same again as the 21C paves the way for a new era of automotive brilliance, where hypercars redefine the limits of human achievement. The stage is set, a spotlight beckons, and the hypercar of the future awaits its moment of pure exhilaration. The 21C is powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with an electric motor. This gives the car a total output of 1,233 horsepower, which is enough to propel it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds. The 21C also has a top speed of 281 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest cars on the planet. But the 21C is not just about power. It's also about cutting-edge technology. The car's body is made of carbon fiber and it features a number of active aerodynamic elements that help to improve its performance. The 21C also has a fully digital cockpit that gives the driver complete control of the car's systems. The Czinger 21C is a car that is truly ahead of its time. It's a hypercar that is both beautiful and powerful, and is sure to turn heads wherever it goes. If you're looking for a car that will make you feel like you're driving the future, then the Czinger 21C is the car for you.